Hello and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play that lovely German folk song, The Little Sandman, set for Grade 1 saxophone in the ABRSM syllabus. Hope you enjoy this piece. It's got a lovely feel to it, this one. I think this is going to tick the box for a lot of pupils. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music. Stay tuned. I'm going to offer you a few words of wisdom on the detail of the music, and then there's an opportunity for you to grab your saxophone and play along with the accompaniment also yourself. Okay, so I think this has got a similar kind of feel to the last piece, the Sweet Nightingale, in that it's quite a steady melody, a nice sort of tuneful piece, and I think you've got to play this in a similar way. Really keep the finger movements down to a minimum. Play it as smoothly as you possibly can. There's a nice moment just rising through bar 11, 12 and 13 where you can really unleash a bit more sound through the instrument and really make use of that crescendo there. And then finish off the rest of the piece and go back to that nice sweet piano sound. So a lovely piece to play. I think you've just got to be careful with these slightly slower pieces. There's a fine line, isn't there, in slow music between playing it slow and musical, but then if you play it too slow it gets a little bit dull and loses the interest a little bit. Right, so I'm going to replay that performance again now, and I'm going to turn down the saxophone part a little bit, make the piano part a little bit more clear, have a go at playing along with that accompaniment yourself, and see if you can keep it really in time with the piano. Here we go. Okay, I think that's it for the Little Sandman. Hope you enjoyed that video, and of course if you did make it this far in the video, give me a thumbs up and let me know in that comment section how you're getting on with the music or how you're getting on with Grade 1 in general. So use that comment section. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, bye.